Hi friends, myself Kushi. I'm studying in first standard. Today I'm explaining about components of food. Vitamins: orange, banana, strawberry and carrot. Fats: fish, sugar, butter, ghee. Carbohydrates: watermelon, mango, papaya. Proteins: paneer, meat, egg and peas. Minerals: meat, tomato, chocolate, egg. Thank you.